back to Sunny Live Show. And thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Well, guys, I'm back again with the Skim Sam, guys. Everyone is waiting for episode namhlanje ukuthi sibone ukuthi ke how the story unfolds. Ukuma guys ukuthi ke izolo kumapitsi kanye ke no DJ Thomas, they were talking about uthando lwabo lapha kanti ukamo uzoya ngale afike anyuse ke ababeke on air. Hey, bakhuluma indaba zabo and everyone at TEF was listening. You including Mamezala Kamapitsi, guys. And mama realize ukuthi ke hayi ke wonke umuntu uzwile ke, everyone knows. Now they started asking ukuthi ubani wenzeni because Mapitsi uthi wenze show ukuthi le yanto le was off. So ubani wenze ya on. Yo, kwashuba guys ukamathi nibengazi nibethu uyayithinta namabhathini futhi nibe curious ukwazi ukuthi baxabana ngaka nje bebangani kanti uzothinta ke ibhathini wrong avele ke abafake vele emoyeni guys bazoyizwe lokho ukuthi bekhuluma ngani athi ke ukamo as much as we mistake but ngisharp ku right ukuthi wena Mapitsi you exposed vele ubufanele ube exposed. Yo guys, enye into ezokwenzeka guys bathi ke uThibos uzohamba aye noma ke umama kaThibos uMeki uzohamba katshela indodana yakhe ukuthi ke ingayenzi lento efuna ukuyenza because bathi a husband izofuna ke irevenge after discovering ukuthi unkosikazi wayo kudala ke emgilela ke imhlola. So uMeki guys uzozama ukukhalma down uThibos ukuthi mntanami don't do that, uzoyifaka enkingeni eserious and uzoboshwa uboshelwe nje into engenasidingo ungayenzi into ofuna ukuyenza. And bathi ke guys uMapitsi should have a disgraced wife, has nowhere to turn, akazi uzophendukela kubani, akazi ukuthi uzibani ozomzwela because even oh god, even umngani wakho omkhulu kuElizabeth guys was listening and she was shocked ukuthi yibo uMapitsi wenzani kanti. So akaziba namuntu ozozama ukumconsola noma ozomcomfort amtshela ukuthi konke into ke izolunga. And bathi ke guys uMeki ke will take charge of her son's household, ensuring ukuthi abazukulu ke are taken care of during the crisis ke ekhona. And uThibos guys is not taking this thing very well. I was looking at the comment ke guys lapha ku Facebook abantu bathi ke uThibos kumele adile ke nonkosikazi wakhe ke omgilela ke imhlola akayeke phansi uDJ Thomas. Laphana ke uJuliet uthe the person Thibos should deal with is Mapitsi. Thomas is not married and is not cheating anyone here. Mapitsi is the one on the wrong. That same applies to those women who goes after the side chicks and spare their men. So yeah guys, we want the smoke. Why is Thabo thinking he'll beat up Thomas? He must relax. Your wife get eaten and after you get beaten up. Yo, aye guys, we are just waiting for the time guys, but it's time a popcorn and be ready for this episode. Don't miss it. We just want to see ukuthi ke kuzokwenza kodwa guys yo kwaze kwanzima but abantu abaningi abamdabukeli uMapitsi guys kudala yenza lento lena over and over. Yo ari pilo ya hayi abetha mangabe bona DJ Thomas. So now kinako ya uri pilo ya hayi betha but it look as if DJ Thomas asamnyaki asamfuna uMapitsi kwakhona nje umcostly career because they will be fired emsebenzini. So yeah guys, to leave your comment below and share your opinion.